To. Verb to be. Present tense. Verb to be. Present tense. Affirmative. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Present tense negative. I'm not. I am not. You're not. You aren't. He's not. He isn't. She's not. She isn't. It's not. It isn't. We're not. We aren't. You're not. You aren't. They're not. They aren't. Present tense interrogative. Am I? Am I not? Are you? Aren't you? Is he? Isn't he? Is she? Isn't she? Is it? Isn't it? Are we? Aren't we? Are you? Aren't you? Are they? Aren't they? Tip 2. Exercise. Put these sentences in interrogative form. I am Margarita. Am I Margarita? He is not Vladimir. Isn't he Vladimir? They are Maria and John. Are they Maria and John? You are not John. Aren't you John? It is a dog. Is it a dog?